Shankar Nagaragatte, better known as Shankar Nag, was an Indian actor, screenwriter, director, and producer known for his work in Kannada language films and television. He directed and acted in the teleserial Malgudi Days, based on the celebrated novelist R.K. Narayan's short stories. Nag received the inaugural IFFI Best Actor Award Male Silver Peacock Award at the 7th International Film Festival of India for his work in the film Ondanondu Kaladalli. He co-wrote 22 June 1897, an Indian National Award winning Marathi film. He is the younger brother of actor Anant Nag. Vincent Canby, the chief film critic of the New York Times, had opined that Shankar's performance in Ondanondu Kaladali had the force and humor of the younger Toshiro Mifune. Shankar Nagaragatte was born on 9 November 1954 in Honnavar in the state of Mysore, present-day Karnataka, India. His parents were Anandi and Sadanand Nagaragatte. Born into a Konkani-speaking family, his family settled in Shirali village, a village near Bhatkal in Uttara Kannada of Karnataka state. After completing his formal education, Nag moved to Bombay, which is now known as Mumbai. There, he was attracted to Marathi theatre and immersed himself in theatrical activities. Incidentally, he met his future wife Arundhati during a drama rehearsal. Nag then shifted base to Karnataka. His elder brother Anant had already established himself as an actor and urged Nag to act in films. In 1978, Nag made his debut in the role of a mercenary in Girish Karnad's epic film Ondanondu Kaladali, where he played a mercenary who earns a position in a rival army to get even with his brother, whom he considers his enemy. Following the modest success of Ondanondu Kaladali and the critical accolades he won, Nag appeared in other films Sitaramu, Auto Raja, Preeti Madu, Tamase Nodu were amongst his early commercial success. He eventually became known for his action films, and while he had never gone any martial arts training, he earned the nickname Karate King. Around the same time, he also made his directorial debut with Minchina Ota, one of the earliest heist movie in Kannada cinema. This won him seven state awards. And you guys won't believe that if you Google Shankar Nag's any film in Google, then all of his film in the IMDb ratings will be above 7 out of 10. As I was saying, around the same time, he also made his directorial debut with Minchina Ota, one of the earliest heist movie in Kannada cinema. This won him several state awards, including that for best film. Janma Janmada Anubandha and Geeta followed. There was no looking back after that. His directorial ventures include Accident, which won him many state and national awards, Ondu Muttina Kate, which was loosely based on John Steinbeck's novel The Pearl, Nodi Swami, Navirodu Hige, Lalach, and Hosa Tirpu, which was a remake of Dushman. In 1987, Nag directed the Doordarshan series Malgudi Days, which was based on a collection of short stories by R.K. Narayan. The series featured Vishnuvardhan and Anant Nag, with music was composed by L. Vaidyanathan. The series was shot in Agumbe, Shimoga district, Karnataka. Nag went to direct another teleserial, Swami, in the same year. Malgudi Days has been rated as one of the finest serials ever to be made in the history of Indian television. Nag died in a car crash at Anagodu village on the outskirts of Davangere town on 30 September 1990 during the pre-production work for his film Jo Kumaraswamy. if today Shankar Nag sir would have been there, the level of Kannada cinema would have been up to the Hollywood level, because at that time it was up to the Hollywood level. So this is a small tribute from a fan to Shankar Nag sir. Thank you.